Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your Love Bite. Leo, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you, and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send them the messages they need to hear the most today. Thank you. So Leo, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being always so supportive to the channel. I'm very grateful. And yes, Leo, if you're new here, we welcome you too to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. And Leo, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Okay, so the cards I have on the table, Leo, is the King of Cups, Five of Wands, Knight of Swords, Nine of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, Ten of Wands, Four of Swords, the Lovers, and the Devil. Oh my God, what's happening here? And bottom of my deck, I have the High Priestess in reverse. So some secrets have either come out or some clarity has been achieved or maybe is going to be. I don't know. Let's put this card here, Leo. And the overall energy that I'm getting from this reading is somebody has been keeping their emotions in check or being a bit emotionally manipulative. And their person, I think, is realizing that it's better to be single now and taking care of themselves instead of dealing with a connection which is imbalanced. There is no equal give and take, and maybe on the verge of letting go of this connection. So let's see what's going on. Let's start with some dialogue message cards and see what's happening here, Leo. Leo and their person, spirit, they could say something to each other. Leo and their person. And we'll take some from here, Leo. Leo and their person. Okay. And a couple from here. Leo and their person, spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Thank you. All right, Leo, good to go. The first card I have here says, I know that I shouldn't compare others to you, but I just can't help it. You're a tough act to follow and absolutely no one measures up. No matter what has happened between us, you're still the one. Yes, somebody was being a little emotionally manipulative here, but they don't want to fight or they want to end a fight. Maybe something happened between the two of you. Maybe there was some words exchanged or somebody was a little immature or did something rash. But heart of hearts, I think this King of Cups really does want to end this fight or imbalance which has been created between the two of you. I get so frustrated when you're on your phone when we are together. I want to get up and walk out of the room because it's very disrespectful. I see our time together as sacred and, believe it or not, limited. If we are spending precious time together, our attention should be on each other. Again, maybe not showing emotions, running away. The ball is in your court now. I've done everything I can to get this connection to move along. We're at a standstill now until you come forward with your feelings and put the wheels in motion. I think of you before I sleep. I dream of you all night and wake up to think of you again. I do see somebody who is thinking a lot. They do feel this connection, a very strong, bond or an attraction. In fact, maybe to a level of obsession, but maybe they haven't shown it. Maybe they've, been immature in the past. And I have, I think, a feminine energy who's pretty much ready to drop this connection here now. You're all I've ever truly wanted in my life. You are my everything. I enjoy dating and keeping things casual as I'm not wanting to settle down just yet. I have an addiction. Now, this could be any kind of addiction. It could be addiction to work, it could be addiction to alcohol, it could be sex addiction. I don't know what this is, but somebody is here saying, yes, I do have an addiction. My ex and I are just friends. All right, Leo, if this kind of resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. But before that, I am going to take an angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels are going to bless this reading. My angels' blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for my lions and lionesses. Blessing, guidance, advice. You found it. I don't know who's found what, but they feel they found it. Okay, so I'm going to put this card here and get on to the reading and see who's found what here, my angels. Okay, so King of Cups and the Five of Wands in reverse, Spirit. What's that? King of Wands in reverse? Yes, yes, yes. I think somebody was not in the place, I think, to have love in their life. Maybe feeling very emotionally dissatisfied, maybe of a previous connection, as I have the card of saying my ex and I are just friends, and maybe treated this single person in a very with rash judgment, or not very well, or something like that. This King of Cups was probably not ready to offer love, maybe very dissatisfied with something in their life, emotionally unhappy person. Yeah, they say hurt people, and I think that's what's going on here. But yes, they are kind of ending something, maybe ending a conflict. One more, Spirit, for the Knight of Swords. Yes, I think they want to start a new chapter now. They want to end all this conflict. They are ready now for a new beginning. They want this happiness once again. Maybe they've lost their Ten of Cups once, but this person is in the Nine of Cups energy now, saying, hey, I want to end the fight. I want to start a brand new chapter. And yes, I know what I've done in the past. I've been a bit immature, or not been there, or whatever. But now I think whoever this masculine is, Leo, could be you, could be a cross watcher, they're showing up as the King of Wands, which is a Leo card, right? They now are picking themselves up and they are getting excited about life again. Maybe they want to take some action now. King of Wands, Spirit? King of Wands? Yes, they are dealing or are coming out of a heartbreak, maybe a past heartbreak, but I do feel that they have it in them, or they're trying now to see something more positive. Yes, they are trying to make a decision out there. They're trying to make a choice to be happy. Let's see what this is then. Nine of Pentacles, Spirit? Nine of Pentacles. I think something halted with this Nine of Pentacles. Some single person who's very charming, very beautiful, could take care of themselves, and like Nine of Pentacles is a prize. Maybe something came to a halt with this person, and I think this masculine is now ready to maybe step up and maybe offer an apology, or maybe a love offer. Am I right, Spirit? Yes, they want to get out of this stressful position they find themselves in. They don't want to be bound and stuck to any past memories of the unhappiness of the past. They are now trying to pick themselves up and offer an apology, because they know some imbalance has been created in the past. Yes, maybe they were unemotional, maybe they were rude, maybe they were not good in their communication. Like this card said, you're always on your phone, and you're wasting precious time or whatever. So somebody knows that they haven't put in enough effort, and they haven't been emotionally open. They've been hiding, yes. Now they want to drop all that. They want to drop a burden that they've been carrying, I think, because now they're realizing that things are still kind of not moving along. They want to come and reveal some secret about maybe the past problems that they were going through. They were in some kind of a turmoil or stressful place, but they do want to drop that, and they want to come and reveal some secrets. Some secrets. The High Priestess is in reverse twice, which means somebody wants to come and open up, not keep secrets. And maybe the secret that they want to reveal to this, I think, new person here is that now they finally dropped the burden. They were going through a lot of stress or a lot of turmoil in their life. What else, Spirit? What are these secrets they want to reveal? They do want to communicate. They want this, communication to begin again, this back and forth, quick communication to start happening between the two of you. I think they've finally gotten over some last chapter of their life. This is the end. This is a person feeling betrayed and feeling down and out, but when it's in reverse, that means it's over. They've completed one chapter of their life. So that's what they maybe want to communicate. Four of Swords, Spirit. Four of Swords. Now they are stuck a little bit. Yes, they are stuck. They are still healing. There's a lot of healing going on. Maybe whoever this masculine is has spent a lot of time trying to, kind of spend time after the last cycle, last chapter. As this card said, my ex and I are still friends. Maybe they were going through something in their own life, I don't know, but yes, they're trying to get a different perspective now. They are trying to see things from all sides now, from their viewpoint of view, from maybe the ex's point of view, from this new person's point of view, and they know that they have to now make a choice. Oh, I found another dialogue card. It says, I want us to build trust and work on a foundation of friendship before we can have a romantic and sexual relationship. Okay. What's this Lover's card then, Spirit? It came out like right on time. Lover's, Spirit. They know why they're not getting this new beginning. They know why. Yes, if they have not put in any work, if they have not invested in this new thing, I don't know what it is, somebody here is making a decision. They know that they have to make that decision to put in the work, first to drop their past baggage and then choose something, because without that they're not going to get any fresh new beginning. This being in limbo is not going to get them anywhere. But then there's the Devil. What's this Devil card, Spirit? What's this Devil card? Oh. Okay, so now whatever has happened, Leo, in this connection, maybe somebody took too long to, come forward. Maybe they were dealing with something of their own. Now, whoever this masculine is, as much as they've decided, they're going through a lot of fear. There's a lot of fear because they feel, earlier maybe they were playing these mind games or not giving to this new connection, or maybe whatever they were doing. Now they're feeling, oh my God, is it too late? I mean, have I played myself here? Because I don't know now how to move forward in this dynamic anymore. They feel that person, this new person, I think this Nine of Pentacles person, doesn't trust me anymore. They don't trust me, and they're going to probably cut me out. They're not going to accept me anymore. So this is a fear that has developed now, as much as this person wants to come, One more, Spirit, for the Devil. One more for the Devil. Devil. As much as this masculine wants to come out of the cold, they are feeling neglected. They are feeling very ungrounded, very unsettled. They feel this new connection, the one that they didn't give time to. They feel their partner's already turned their back and, maybe gone off for a new start somewhere else, or it's come to a stagnancy. So I think they fear it's too late. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Leo. I hope it worked for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.